Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can record assets in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go to a mode. For example, I'm gonna click on Live Today. And then once it's loaded, go ahead and search and choose any mode that you'd like to play. Click on play, and then from here you can scout the other team. Then click on play, and then the match is loading. So right now the match has been loaded. So we're gonna pass the ball. Right now, basically, guys, in order to perform an assist, all you need to do, guys, is make sure that you score the ball immediately after you pass it. So for example, I'm gonna pass like this and then try to score it. I didn't succeed. I'm gonna try it again. And as you can see, guys, now I performed an assist. So I won this match. I'm gonna click on continue. I'm gonna claim the rewards, claim and continue. So I won a pack. I'm gonna click on open the pack. So let's see what we got here. We're gonna flip the cards. And I won a player and some rewards. I'm gonna click on claim. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.